Hello and welcome to this class. Thanks once again for enrolling for this course. In this video, we are going to talk about essentials of marketing. As a business person, you either produce a good or service. The product you create is destined for the marketplace. You must find a creative way of getting customers to buy your products. The survival of your business will depend on how well you perform your marketing functions. Simply put, marketing consists of the process of identifying the needs of people, creating products to satisfy those needs, using suitable platforms to inform people about the products, and getting customers to buy the products on a continuous basis. There are two broad marketing platforms that are available to a business. First, the traditional media. Here we have newspapers, magazines, radio, and television. The second platform, the new media, alternatively called digital platform. Here we have the likes of Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google+, YouTube, etc., etc. Although this course will focus on the latter, that is digital marketing, there are certain principles in marketing that are essential whether the business is using the old media or digital marketing. Let us discuss these essentials of marketing before we begin to treat the various aspects of digital marketing. Branding. Your brand is defined by the name, image, and identity of your product. I repeat, the name of your product, the image of your product, and the identity of your product all constitute what we call the brand of that product. You can figure what comes to your mind when you see great brands like Citibank, Nestle, Toyota, Apple, Microsoft, Samsung, General Motors, Mercedes-Benz, Airbus, etc., etc. There is always an element of trust that is associated with such brands. They succeed in creating loyalty for their products. This was not achieved overnight. Each of the known brands was able to deliver on its promise over a long period of time. Each of them was able to exceed customers' expectations. This sustains their success in the market. As you begin to market your products digitally, ensure that your people conduct themselves properly online and offline in order to help your brand. No scandal must be associated with the product. Always create positive news for your business and product. This will go a long way in strengthening your product brand. Marketing segmentation. Identify the section of the market that you are targeting. Use the following parameters to segment the market: gender, income, age, and geographical location. Tailor your message to gain the interest and action of the people in the identified segment. Select the appropriate media for the segment. Example, if you are targeting teenagers, Facebook can help. However, if your target market comprises professionals, then LinkedIn may be the suitable platform. You can also use multiple platforms for wider reach. Content management. You must consistently feed your selected platform with contents. Contents are the messages that inform your audience about the product. Remember the principle of AIDA. AIDA, simply put, is an acronym. AIDA. When preparing your content, put AIDA in mind. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. First, Attract attention by using good videos, pictures, and headlines to get your audience. Interest. The message must be of interest to your audience. Help them to remember the message by making it brief and informative. Desire. Create the desire in your audience to the extent that they will agree that your product is good for them. Sell the benefits of the product to them. Most of the time, marketing efforts fail because businesses sell features. They sell the features of a product instead of selling the benefits of a product. But for you to succeed in the marketplace, you have to sell the benefits of your product so that people will believe that the products will satisfy their needs, the product will solve their problems, and they will get value for their money. So sell the benefits of your product and not the features of your product. Action. Your goal is to get customers to buy your products. Then encourage them to act by buying the product. Good product plus good marketing will result in continuous purchases. I repeat, good product plus good marketing will result in continuous purchases. It will result in good patronage. It will sustain the profitability of your business in the marketplace. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.